In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your document's theme in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to enhance the aesthetic and overall feel of your document, making it more personalized and professional. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process. First things first, you'll want to head to the Format menu located at the top of your screen. The Format menu is like a gateway that opens the door to a host of options that allow you to tweak and refine the layout of your document. Once you've located it, go ahead and give it a click. This will unveil a drop-down menu with various formatting choices. Today, however, our focus is on changing the theme, so that's what we'll select next. Now that we have the Format menu open, you'll want to pinpoint the theme option from the list. Selecting theme initiates a panel to slide out on the right of your screen. Think of this panel as your control station for all things theme-related. It allows you to tailor the font and color scheme to better suit your document's style and purpose. Within this panel, you'll see an option labeled Customize. Click on Customize to get started on tailoring the theme to your liking. Customization is where the magic happens, offering you the opportunity to infuse your document with a personal touch or align it with your brand requirements. It's all about bringing uniformity and a professional flair to your work. Moving on, under the Customize section, you'll notice a category named Font. This is where you get to select your desired font style from a variety of options. Perhaps you're aiming for a sleek, modern look, in which case a font like Poppins might be ideal for a clean, contemporary design. Alternatively, if you're going for something more classic, Arial can provide that timeless appearance. The choice of font can significantly affect the tone and readability of your document, so select one that aligns with your message and audience. Once you've made your selection, the system automatically applies the font throughout your document. There's no need for additional steps or confirmations. This seamless application ensures that your entire document adopts the new theme instantaneously, giving it a consistent and polished look without any extra hassle on your part. And that's it. You've just customized your document's theme, creating a unified and visually appealing product suited specifically to your needs. Whether you're preparing a report, a proposal, or even a newsletter, your document will now exemplify the professional and polished image you wish to present. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore further customizations and play around with different themes to discover what works best for you. Until next time, happy formatting!